Hello everyone! Handa na ba kayong magbilang at balikan ng nakaraan? Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara na! Halina't matuto! Bring back the basics, the new normal numeracy program. Today we will talk about division of whole numbers. By the way, I am Mrs. Ivy B. Picardal, or you can call me Teacher Ivy. Kunin na inyong panulat at papel at sabay-sabay tayong matuto kung paano mag-divide. In this lesson, you will learn how to divide whole numbers and apply it in real-life situations. Are you guys ready? Simulan na natin! Halina't matuto! We all know that all basics are essential. Essential means important. Important means necessities such as food, house, and clothes that are essential for our living. Not only that, money is also essential. We cannot buy things that we need if we do not have it. Money is a medium of exchange. It allows people to obtain what they need to live. We value money, so numbers too. We are surrounded with numbers: your age, weight, height, your birthday, and so on. Numbers are used to count, measure, and label. Numbers have different sets such as counting numbers, whole numbers, integers, fractions, and so on. We can also apply the different basic operations that involve numbers such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You already recall the three basic operations: addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Now we will focus on division of not all numbers but whole numbers only. Division is the process of repetitive subtraction. Thus, 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. 12 minus 3 equals 9. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. And 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. We subtracted all by 3 and subtracted repeatedly until it became 0 or with remainder. Let us consider another example. 7,450 divided by 10. When dividing a dividend to a divisor of 10, we just simply move the decimal places from the right of the given dividend to the left. Ang decimal point ng whole number ay laging nasa dulo sa kanan. Doon tayo mag-start ng movement ng decimal. Since 10 has only one zero, we will move the decimal point once. The answer is 745. We remove the 0 since 745.0 is the same as 745. In dividing whole numbers, we should know the general formula that requires to have the dividend, the quotient, the divisor, and the remainder. Let us have an example whose answer is with remainder. 17 divided by 5. I'll give you a scenario. Let's say we will group these 17 students into 5 members. Each group. How many groups can we form with equal distribution? We can form 3 groups if there are 15 students. But the given is 17 students. Therefore, there are 2 remaining students that are not included in the groups. The answer is now 3. Remainder 2. We should also know that there are 3 special cases of division. Any number divided by 1 gives us the same as the dividend. For example, 987 divided by 1 is 987. Number 2. A number cannot be divided by 0 and the result is undefined. Example, 1,000 divided by 0 equals undefined. And number 3, when the dividend equals the divisor, which means that the same numbers but not 0, then the answer is always 1. For example, 17,000 divided by 17,000 equals 1. In order to understand it well, I will give you a real-life situation. Karen has 2 kids. She bought 8 candies to give them equally. How many candies will each get? We should first identify the dividend and divisor. Take note that dividend is the total shares that are to be shared, while divisor is the number of equal groups that are to be made. Thus, the dividend in the given situation is 8 candies and the divisor is 2 kids. Number of kids equals 2, number of candies equals 8. Number of candies for each kid is equal to 8 divided by 2 is 4. Therefore, each kid will get 4 candies. Another example. Raj watched 4 TV shows that were 20 minutes long each. How much time did she spend watching TV? Again, identify first the dividend and divisor. Take note that the dividend is the totality of the given situation and the divisor is the group of things or individuals that are to be made. Thus, the dividend in the given situation is 20 minutes and the divisor is 4 TV shows. The number of TV shows is 4. The number of minutes is 20. Number of minutes for each TV show is 5. 20 minutes divided by 4 is 5. Therefore, Raj spent 5 minutes per TV show.
And that's it. Did you learn something? Let us now summarize everything we discussed in today's lesson. We were able to divide whole numbers and apply it in solving problems in real-life situations. Since everything is clear, you may now start answering the learning tasks of the week, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe in our YouTube channel so you will be updated in our latest uploads. At ayun na nga, natapos na naman ang ating talakayan. Hanggang sa susunod na linggo, dito lang sa programang punong-puno ng kaalaman, mundo ng numbers atin niyang pag-uusapan. HALINA'T MATH-TUTO. Bring back the basics, the new normal numeracy program. Bye!
MATH-TUTO.